Welcome students. Today's session is new lesson unit 4 transition and inner transition elements. So already 11th standard well studied. So your knowledge is also 11th standard. So do not deeply depth in your book, but the 12th standard chemistry book deep block elements, every elements behaviors and uses and properties and physical chemical properties is also very important for upcoming duration classes. And now session discuss so transition elements importance and behaviors and general behavior, general characters will be discussed. So inner transition elements, another one part. So transition elements means is also D block elements and inner transition elements F block elements. So transitions means is the most of incompletely filled of D and or F orbital subcells. D orbitals subcells incompletely filled, so more electrons is are unpaired. So magnetic nature already known for 11th standard studied. So most element neutral and cationic state, all D block elements, so loss of electrons, so positively charged is the cationic nature, is the cations atom is a cationic state. So next will be that 11th standard practically will be that salt ferric chloride, in the loss of electrons is ions, is the cations will be identified. So most of zinc sulfide, zinc sulfate is the cationic state. So most of element will be discussed for 11th standard practical session. So include lanthanides and actinides. So lanthanide and actinides is the branch of F block elements. So except group number 11 elements, except group number 11 example copper is a group number 11 element. So all are transition metals. And next except group number 11 elements, all are transition metal but hard and heavy melting point, hard and heavy melting point. And very important resource, what is the D block elements, very important. The human civilization revolutions is also very important of iron and copper role, important role of development in human civilization. Next will be the tungsten. Example, more elements, every elements also important, one or two elements discuss. Tungsten bulb filaments and titanium artificial joints, molybdenum boiler plants, platinum catalysis or etc. Compared to the human living system, already coordination compounds is also the lesson, metal compounds, metal complex is also discussed. But the living system, the D block elements we gave discussed, iron, hemoglobin, cobalt, vitamin B12 or etc. And next is the D block element in modern periodic table positions. So group number 3 to 12 is a modern periodic table present of the D block elements. And next will be the period number 4th to 7th period, 4th to 7th period. So third 3D series, 4th period, 40 elements, 4 series also present in the periodic table. 4th period, 4 series of in the periodic table present in the modern periodic table. So every period 10 elements also here. So 4th period and 3D series. What is meant by 3D series? The electron configuration outermost valence of subcell. So 4s and 3D series completely. So 3D completely, so 3D series, 4D complete, 4D series, 5D electronic configuration alpha principle complete, 5D series, and 6D complete, 6D series. Okay, but students, and 3D series 4th period scandium to zinc. So well prepared for our students for 11th standard, scandium to zinc, scandium atomic number 21, zinc atomic number 30, and in the atomic number scandium to zinc clue words, memory clue words is also here now. So now session is also already you are well prepared but that very important, so easy get mark of 12th standard book for D block elements. So scandium to zinc, 10 elements of the periodic table, and 4 is series. Fifth period, yttrium to cadmium, 10 elements. 5 is series. Sixth period, lanthanum. In between the gap is also F block elements, and next lanthanum and hafnium to mercury, and 60 series, very important. Seventh period, actinium, and next rutherfordium to cobernicium, the seventh period, except actinium, remaining is also synthetically prepared element, artificially prepared elements. So seventh period, all elements radioactive. Seventh period, all our elements is a radioactive. 10 elements radioactive, and low half-life period. Next discuss old, will be the slightly memory, remember that the electronic configuration, which based of the electronic configuration, alpha principle. So first 3D series, 3D orbital outermost valence of cell complete, the start from first 4s FIR, first 4s, and orbital before last 3D series. Example will be the scandium, 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. This is also noble gases, argon 18. So already mentioned argon, and 4s2, 3d, 4s2, 3d. So is after position also here, change it now, and 3d1. So 3d1, 4s2, and zinc is the completely filled, 3d10, 4s2. So short form of argon used. So completely filled, stable configurations, half filled and completely filled, stable. The four concept is already known, remember that. Half filled and completely filled, stable. Unpaired electrons, any here no is metal is a metal complex, metal ions is a colored. Empty and completely filled, the metal ions is colorless. The most of and next is unpaired electrons, paramagnetic nature. The paired electrons, diamagnetic nature. The diamagnetic nature is magnetic moment 0. So already now the session is next will be also remember that 11th chromium and copper electronic configuration, the dual electronic configuration, actual configuration, except configuration. But the stable configuration, extra stability of chromium and copper, chromium and extra stability. What is mean by original configuration, actual configuration? 3d4, 4s2, but the one electrons is gained for 3d orbital. So 3d5, 4s1 is the extra stability of chromium, half filled. And next copper, 3d9, 4s2 is the actual configuration. But the 4s2 1 electrons give to the 3d orbital subshell. So 3d10 completely filled. So it's a half filled, is also completely filled. Half filled and completely filled, possible of 3d subcells of extra stability of orbitals in the transition elements. And the next D block elements, general configuration, used of the noble gases, and n-1 d subcell, n-1 d subcell. How many elements d orbital filled? 1 to 10 element possible. And the next nth series is 4s, 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s is also increased. The d orbital is 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s up to. So n s orbital, how many electron s orbital filled? 1 to 2 is the configuration is n equal to 4, 2 and 7. The period number 6 and 7 except lanthanum and actinium, this configuration, this configuration remember that your public question paper and 1 mark questions. And lanthanum and actinium included for n-2 f orbital subcell, is a completely filled for 14 electrons, 7 subshell. The 14 electron is also filled with neither complete include of n-1d 1 to 10 orbital and ns 1 to 2 orbital for lanthanum and actinium. Another one question, lanthanum and actinium is a D block element, do not F block element, students. So that questions is also indirect. This point is also that the position, remember the questions ask more than repeated time for public question paper. Thank you to all.